Hello. Now I would love to summarize the so-called cosmic joke, which I encountered in my life a few times very powerfully, and now it becomes just my baseline of reality. And also I received a very great context for this from my most resonant guide called Ryoka, channeled by Tyler Ellison in his transmission Going Beyond Beliefs. So he shared this idea in depth. And now I just want to conclude it, summarize it in these upcoming words. So basically, the cosmic joke is the one perfect divine reality falls into belief that it is something other than that. When it falls into belief that I am this person, I am this separated entity. And now, upon that foundation, our mind starts to create various complex stories. It usually over-exaggerates importance of self as this separate entity in a prideful way or in a diminishing way, like in the victim mentality. And in the grand context, it is a cosmic joke, because yes, it is a temporary experiences that in various complex, funny human mind ways contradicts the fundamental truth. And yes, and that is for that same one God to awaken upon itself, to appreciate this original truth of its oneness, its brilliance through this contrast that we are so masterfully presenting through our lives, through our fool's journeys in this life. So when we become conscious of it, when we finally get this joke, then life starts to become more carefree, more joyous, and more loving. Because when we see through these illusions of separation, we can start to really sense that one, that everything is truly one being, and then we fall in love with that being, and then we start to serve the original will of the one, which is through unconditional love. And that awareness, that intuitive sensing of this universal harmony of the one. And now I just lost my train of thought. Just a reminder that whatever stories your mind tell about yourself and others and life, which is based on that foundation of buying into belief that I am a separate entity, it will always go out of alignment with that universal harmony. however ugly or beautiful those stories, those fantasies will be, it still will be just fantasies, illusions that in many ways contradict the original truth. And that's why usually it ends up in so-called tragic comedy. So it is crucial to see through the illusion of separation. To spend time in contemplation on this original reality of oneness and really tuning in to it as yourself, as your true identity. The identity that is not limited to this body and circumstances around this body, around this personality, all the stories and so on. So at first it may shake you, it might be uncomfortable, but when you establish your sense of identity on this infinite, eternal, free beingness, then for sure your life will become very, very joyful celebration and true, full-hearted service of loving kindness. So yeah, seeing through the illusion, getting that cosmic joke gives you freedom, gives you lightness, and that also increases your ability also to be compassionate and to serve whatever is needed to be served in your experience in the most loving way. Because yes, even though it is an illusion, it is a dream, but experience of that is real. So we care about experience, but we also see it as this illusion, this emptiness in all experience, through which then the light of infinite love and wisdom can shine through into that experience. So that's the balance between emptiness, appearance, and the middle path in between. So again, enjoy it, and feel free to also contact me if you want to co-create something with me. So my contacts is on the informational tab. I am open for private sessions, group sessions, and any other invitations, suggestions for co-creation based on this truth, this original reality. So yeah, feel free to contact me. and enjoy your life with full heart. See ya.